Greetings, Shade community. Are you new to the Secret Network or Shade Protocol and seeking to privately utilize your Andromeda tokens? Perhaps you earned Andromeda tokens from Andromeda's testnets and are looking to explore potential avenues for its utilization? If so, Shade Protocol has some incredible trading and yield opportunities for Andromeda token holders. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the simple steps to get you started in private DeFi. The first step is bridging your tokens from Andromeda over to Secret Network using the Shade Bridge feature on the Shade Protocol app. When using the Shade Bridge interface, your tokens will automatically be wrapped into their private equivalent upon being bridged into the Secret Network, Secret Andromeda. Now let's get to bridging. First, you will need to connect your Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask or Kepler. Then, select to bridge from the Andromeda chain to the Secret Network, and choose Andromeda as your asset. Choose how much you want to send. Click Bridge, and approve the bridging transaction in your wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully bridged Andromeda to Secret and have Andromeda tokens with encrypted balances. If you have native Andromeda tokens in your Shade portfolio, you can simply wrap it using the Shade Wrap feature. First, select Andromeda in the From dropdown. The To area will auto-populate with the Secret Andromeda token. Next, input the amount of native Andromeda you would like to wrap and click Wrap. During this transaction, you will use Secret for gas. Once you have received a transaction successful pop-up, you will have successfully wrapped your native Andromeda token into the privacy-preserving Secret Andromeda token. Now you can swap your private Andromeda using Shade Protocol's 100% front-running resistant DEX. For this example, we will swap Andromeda for Shade, which is Shade's over-collateralized, privacy-preserving stablecoin. Navigate to the swap page. Select to swap from Andromeda to Shade. Then, enter the amount of Andromeda you would like to swap and click Swap. In the transaction summary below the swapping menu, you can see the minimum amount received from the swap, expected price impact, trade and gas fees, as well as the swap route being used. Users can change their slippage tolerance for trades by clicking the gear icon in the swapping UI. Approve the transaction, and then you will see a swap success pop-up. You have now successfully swapped Andromeda for Shade and can now use that to privately earn yield by providing liquidity. Now let's walk you through providing liquidity to the Shade Andromeda pool on Shade Swap. On the Shade app, go to the Swap tab and click on Pools along the top of the page. In the search bar, type ANDR or Andromeda. You will notice a Shade Andromeda pool appears. Click on the pool for the pool breakdown and liquidity provider options. Users have the ability to provide both assets for liquidity or provide single-sided liquidity, which effectively swaps your tokens on the back end and provides liquidity for both tokens at the LP ratio post-swap, which could result in a loss or gain of funds due to price impact. For this example, we'll choose to provide both sides of liquidity. Input the amount you wish to provide for the first asset. You will notice that when the first asset amount is input, the LP interface will auto-populate the corresponding amount for the other side of the LP position. This adjusted ratio of the LP interface is based on the current ratio of assets in the pool. Once you enter in the amount of tokens to enter in the pool, click Provide. You will get a pop-up asking to mint LP shares and stake or LP shares. If you choose to mint LP shares and stake, then you are staking your LP tokens, which allows you to external LP rewards. It's important to note that there is no lockup period for staked LP tokens, and users have access to instant unbonding at all times. Congratulations! Now you have successfully provided liquidity to the Shade Andromeda pool. If you have made it to the end of our tutorial, we'd like to say welcome to Shade, where it's your money, your data, your decisions. Make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to our channel.